This is my Toshiba 17-inch laptop running Ubuntu, and I am going to play something called, I think it's off of We Wish You a Metal Christmas. But I want to demonstrate what this sounds like, and I'm thinking that this is a software issue with Ubuntu itself. I'm not sure, but I wanted to play that audio so you would know what it was sounding like, because I'm not sure. I'm thinking it's the connection that I noted in previous pictures, but I'm not sure. So tell me what you think. So that's what it sounds like. Not sure what actually is causing it. Trying to find a live CD that will let me actually boot up and not result in a kernel panic, and then perhaps I would have a better idea of what's going on. So that's my problem.